brought you home. Love would've picked up the phone. Love wouldn't have me caked up alone. Love had you feeling dead right when you were wrong.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. The wig that I'm wearing is called Betty. It's like a wave kind of hairstyle. Is a short cap. It's made by Outre, and it's a quick weave cap wig. Okay, so this is what she looks like. She just really kind of plain Jane with just some finger waves. That's all it is. I mean, it ain't really nothing to explain once you see how she wears it on the card, you know, to try to get it to look like that, or just leave it in a finger wave type situation. I got her in a 1B. She has 3 combs, one here, and one in the back. Now, as you guys know, you know I'm bald, so it was kind of hard putting it on there to make it stay because it had like that little hump right here, which it still has that hump. So I'm gonna be pulling it down and pulling it down because I don't want it to stay there. I want it to, you know, kind of be flat right there. I don't want it to look like, you know, I got something underneath my cap. But this is how she looks. I'm gonna see if I can turn around for you. This is how she looks in the back. Okay. This is how she looks on the side. This is how she looks to the front. So I hope you guys enjoy this 2-in-1 wig and full beat to the gods. Yes, baby. Yeah, I'm done. We're gonna be going in a little bit, okay? So this is the final look. The lips that I'm wearing is just a gloss, nothing spectacular. It's on Shop Miss A by AOA right here. This one shade is called Push. So it's Push. It's just like a little glossy kind of look. Let me see if I can put it on my hand. It's got like little glitter kind of in it. Let me swatch it. See what it look like. You can't even really see it. But that's what it look like. Got a little gloss and some little glitter in it. Okay. So this completes the look. I hope you guys like this little purple look that I did. Okay. I'll see you guys on my next video.
Love would've brought you home. Love would've picked up the phone. Love wouldn't have me caked up alone. Love had you feeling dead right when you were wrong. Love got me out on my own. Love got me different, I respond when I won't. Love got me wondering who can, cause I don't. Love is a bitch, be with her cause I'm gone. Put my good dress on and now I'm feeling it. Nice ass legs long, you gon' be feeling it. Call my girls and you know they gon' be with the shit. Like yes honey, gotta show 'em who we fucking with. Cause you was sleeping on me. Had me out here feeling lonely. Acting like nobody want me. When I know they want me. Quick to run in the streets, tell me what's the rush. I give you mine and some more, I guess it wasn't enough. Now it's 2 in the morning and you out of touch. Got me sleeping alone, I guess it's not enough. Love would've brought you home. Love would've picked up the phone. Love wouldn't have me caked up alone. Love had you feeling dead right when you were wrong. Love got me out on my own. Love got me different, I respond when I won't. Love got me wondering who can, cause I don't. Love is a bitch, be with her cause I'm gone. Must have lost your mind the way you waste my time. Damn, you crossed that line. I should've saw the signs. Knowing what we've been through got me looking like a fool. What is it that she do to jeopardize me and you? You couldn't do it for me. You didn't do it for me. Because love would've brought you home. Love would've picked up the phone. Love wouldn't have me caked up alone. Love had you feeling dead right when you were wrong. Love got me out on my own. Love got me different, I respond when I won't. Love got me wondering who can, cause I don't. brought you home. Love would've picked up the phone. Love wouldn't have me caked up alone. Love had you feeling dead right when you were wrong. Love got me out on my own. Love got me different, I respond when I won't. Love got me wondering who cares, cause I don't. Love is a bitch, be with her cause I'm gone. Put my good dress on and now I'm feeling it. Nice ass legs long, you gon' be feeling it. Call my girls and you know they gon' be with the shit. Like yes honey, gotta show 'em who we fucking with. Cause you was sleeping on me, on me. Had me out here feeling lonely, lonely. Acting like nobody want me, want me. When I know they want me, want me. Quick to run in the streets, tell me what's the rush. I give you mine and some more, I guess it wasn't enough. Now it's 2 in the morning and you out of touch. Got me sleeping alone, I guess it's not enough. Love would've brought you home. Love would've picked up the phone. Love wouldn't have me caked up alone. Love had you feeling dead right when you were wrong. Love got me out on my own. Love got me different, I respond when I won't. Love got me wondering who cares, cause I don't. Love is a bitch, be with her cause I'm gone. Must have lost your mind the way you waste my time. Damn, you crossed that line. I should've saw the signs. Knowing what we've been through got me looking like a fool. What is it that she do to jeopardize me and you? You couldn't do it for me. You didn't do it for me. Because love would've brought you home.